Sir, the decrypted adjutant is back in the lab and ready to go.
Well, old girl, we dug you up on Tarsonis. Were you online during the Zerg attack? Do you remember anything about Arcturus Mengsk being involved?
Mengsk, Arcturus, ex-Confederate officer, civilian prospector, founder and leader of the Sons of Korhal terrorist group. Status, criminal. Accessing intercepted transmission 0081 to 0086 Alpha.
This is Duke. The emitters are secured and online.
Who authorized the use of psi emitters?
I did, Lieutenant.
What? The Confederates on Antigua were bad enough, but now you're gonna use the Zerg against an entire planet? This is insane!
She's right, man. Think this through.
I have thought it through. Believe me. You all have your orders. Carry them out. I will not be stopped. Not by you, or the Confederates, or the Protoss, or anyone. I will rule this sector, or see it burnt to ashes around me.
Holy... I can't believe it. We can nail Mengsk to the wall with this.
I can't believe it. That recording proves it's all true. Mengsk, Tarsonis, all of it. What will you do now?
Tell the people. Every man, woman, and child in the Dominion needs to know what their beloved Emperor is capable of.
The backlash will be awful. There'll be riots and uprisings everywhere. But that's just what you want, isn't it?
It's a start.
I gotta know, just what was it went down between you and Mengsk? Seems you boys were tight once.
I used to think Mengsk be a force for change. Fought alongside him right up until Tarsonis. That's where he crossed the line, by using Zerg to murder the whole planet. He left Kerrigan there to die because she called him out on it. Turned out he was just as rotten as the Confederacy ever was.
Damn. You sure know how to pick your friends, Jimmy.
Emperor, much has been written in regards to the tragic fall of Tarsonis. Tulaski's investigative documentary, Imperial Dawn, even claims that you brought down the Confederate system by assuring Tarsonis' fall.
I've heard these conspiracy theories before, but the fact remains. The Zerg invaded Tarsonis en masse, and no force in the universe could have stopped their onslaught. It was a very terrible day.
Tulaski's film highlights the seeming convenience of the aliens annihilating a corrupt government that you yourself spent a lifetime trying to overthrow.
Millions died that day, and you speak to me of convenience? Yes! I strove against the evils of the old Confederacy, but never with the object of personal gain. When I was called upon to take up the heavy burden of leadership, I did so only to ensure our continuing survival as a species.
Striking words from the Emperor himself. Up next, Zerglings allergic to lemon juice, old wives' tale, or new super weapon in the fight for humanity.
Those goofy mercs are still using vultures, can you believe it? Damn things are death traps, even when you ain't got people shooting at you.
Careful now, Swan. My old vulture saved my skin more times than I care to remember. I ain't gonna listen to you trash talk a classic piece of engineering like that.
Classic? I suppose you can call them that. Of course, most folks like a bike that don't explode on them when the repeller seals freeze up, or the fuel cells start leaking radioactive waste. But hey, who cares if it's a classic, right?
No one likes a smart-ass, Swan.
The decrypted adjutant contains records proving...
Seems your new Folsom is ripe for... Seems your Queen of Blades figured out who's been paying us to snatch up all them artifacts. Mobius's head honcho, Dr. Narud, claims the Zerg are attacking his main research campus on Tirador. He can't evacuate his people until...
The decrypted adjutant contains records proving Mengsk ordered the massacre on Tarsonis. Now we just need to broadcast those records. Mirahan gave us a tip that might help. The Dominion is unveiling a new war machine called the Odin on Korhal. If we hijack the Odin, we can use it to gain access to the UNN Studios and broadcast the records of Mengsk's war crimes. The Odin is currently in the testing facility on Valhalla. Our team's in position. We're ready to steal the Odin. Are you absolutely sure about this, sir?
Yep. Tychus is definitely our best man for this kind of job. He does get a little excited in combat. We're gonna need to keep up with him once the fighting starts.
If he can actually commandeer the Odin, it's vital that we take out all the Dominion bases in the area. Hopefully we can block all transmissions long enough for him to do that. We can't risk word of this getting back to Korhal.
How much do we know about this Odin?
It's an experimental super heavy siege walker designed for prolonged frontline combat. Very powerful.
Great. Even Tychus can't wreck it then.
Here they go.
Go, go, go! By the numbers, boys.
This ain't a stealth mission anymore, ladies.
Bring it loud and fast.
Will do. Outstanding.
Sir, you seem to have found something very interesting there. If you can bring me a sample in the lab, that would be great.
Activate the auto turret!
Oh, you ain't keeping me from that monster.
That's fine. Armed and ready. Looking forward to it. Go, go, go! Orders received. I feel you.
Hot damn. I can't wait to get inside that thing and tear this place up.
Hold your position, Tychus. Let us get a support force up there to cover you.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Damn it, Tychus. Stand down. Can you read me?
He's got it stuck on transmit, sir. He can't hear us at all. Defenses are coming online at the Dominion bases.
Wonderful. Get our base set up ASAP. We'll just have to follow him in and hope he doesn't get too crazy. I hope I kid.
Big job. Who wants some? You gonna give me what I've been waiting on? By the number. This better be by the number. Who wants some? SCV ready. Ah, you scared me. Been waiting on you. Aye, aye, sir. SCV ready.
Sir, I'm picking up Dominion battle cruisers on an intercept course with the Odin.
Hey, Hotshot, you want these Wraith fighters now? They'll take down a battlecruiser easy. You can build more to stop for.
SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
You gonna give me orders?
Transmit course. Attack formation. SCV ready. Standing by. Reporting in. Huh? SCV ready. Go ahead, Command. Coordinates received. Vector locked in.
So what's the plan now, Commander? Trash them bases, right?
Will do, SCV ready.
Jimmy? Partner? Can you hear me?
Thrust.
Well, if you ain't gonna tell me not to have a little fun, I'm gonna have a little fun. Oh, here I go.
Trans.
By the numbers, boys.
Bad news? What's going on? Standing by.
You gonna give me orders?
Reporting in. SCV ready. Yes, sir.
Our allies are being attacked.
Want some of this? Boom.
Not enough minerals. Not enough.
SCV ready. Go ahead, Command. Standing by. Vector locked in. Will do, Command.
Our allies are being attacked.
Rate the waiting orders. Coordinates received. Thrusters to max. What's going on? I'm going. Whoa, they're all over me. Attack formation. Roger. SCV ready.
By the numbers.
Transmit course. Hear me. Reporting in. Whoa, they're all over me. SCV ready. Rate the waiting order. Coordinates received.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Our allies are being attacked.
Roger. Attack.
Sweet. You just keep me repaired, Jimmy. I'll win this whole war for you.
Does he always talk this much, sir?
Yep, once you get him in a fight, he never shuts up.
Well, now that's done with. I'm gonna take me a little break. Good thing I brought me some liquid refreshment.
Bad news? Reporting in. Huh? SCV ready. Rate the waiting orders.
Armed and ready.
Standing by.
This better.
Transmit coordinates. Thrusters to maximum. SCV ready. Go ahead, Command.
Base is under attack.
We could use some help here.
Roger. Will do, Command. Coordinates received. Attack formation.
Now that hit the spot. There's nothing like knocking back a cold one on top of your enemy's smoking corpses.
Transmit coordinate. Rate the waiting orders. Gotcha. Go ahead.
Reporting in.
What? What's going on?
Standing by. Transmit coordinates.
Not enough minerals.
I can't wait no longer. Here it comes. This better.
Ah! You scared me!
Gangway, coming through.
SCV ready.
Our allies are being attacked.
Roger. Rate the waiting order.
SCV ready.
Armed and ready.
Transmit coordinates. Vector locked in. Attack.
Been waiting on.
Go ahead, Command.
Our allies are being attacked.
We hear you. Yo.
Reporting in. Rate the waiting orders. Transmit coordinates. Thrusters maximum. Sector locked in.
Okay. Flashy red button. What do you do? Boom, baby. Damn. Oh, that is hot.
We'll move on. Reporting in.
Better send some body
Our
bags.
allies are being attacked.
I have no idea what that is. Can you bring me a sample in the lab? Maybe something good will come of it.
Transmit coordinates. Rate the waiting orders.
Reckon you boys will need some time to catch up. Good old Tychus be right here taking it easy. Just wake me up when y'all ready. I reckon a small nuke ought to do it.
Reporting in.
Bad news.
Go ahead, Command. Roger.
We could use some help here.
Whoa, they're all over me.
Add-on complete.
Been waiting on you.
Standing by. Rate the waiting orders. Whoa, they're all over me. Reporting in. Go ahead, Commander.
This better be good. By the numbers, boy.
Transmit coordinates.
Base is under attack.
It's about to get heavy. Go on.
Transmit coordinates.
Ah! You scared me.
It's Goliath online.
Armed and been waiting on you.
Oh, it's on.
SCV ready. In the rear with the geek.
Go ahead, Command.
Add-on complete.
Big job, huh? Yeah.
Reporting in.
Say the word, baby.
Come on, Jimmy. We got heads to break. Go, go, go!
Coordinates received.
This better be good.
Ready to roll out. Sure.
I see your little guys running around down there, Jimmy. They look like ants. This This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me.
Sector locked in. Reporting.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Go ahead, Command.
Our allies are being attacked.
Transmit coordinates received. Sector locked in.
You want some of this?
Thrusters maximum. Attack formation.
What's going on? You're the boss.
Rate the waiting orders. Roger.
In the rear with the gear.
Transmit coordinates. Sector locked in.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Time to kick ass and chew bubble gum.
Ah!
Boom, baby.
Coordinates received. Reporting in. Rate the waiting orders. Go ahead, Command. Thrusters max.
3 bases down.
Rate the
Maybe the
waiting
convict has his uses after all.
This better be good.
orders. Standing.
You know, I think I'll take me another breather. You better get some backup ready for me, Jimmy.
What's going on?
Transmit coordinates. Will do, Command. Roger. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Thrusters maximum. Standing by. Will do, Command.
We can use some help here.
Sector locked in. Rate the waiting orders.
Armed and ready. You reckon these Dominion boys will put up a fight this time? I ain't barely broke a sweat.
Uh-huh. Go ahead. What's going? Bad news? It's your time.
Go, go, go!
Yep. Woo-hoo! Overtime.
Coordinates received. Roger. Rate the waiting orders.
Gangway, coming through. Here we go. I'm hitting my stride now.
Go
This
ahead,
better be
Command.
good.
Vector locked in.
Mineral field depleted. Insufficient Vespene gas. Our allies are being attacked.
Thrusters maximum. Coordinates.
Go, go, go!
wait to dig into that. Scientifically, I mean. I'm not going to eat it.
Roger. Coordinates received. Will do, command. Vector.
This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me.
Attack formation. Thrusters to maximum.
I'm in a world of hurt.
This better be good.
Whoa, they're all over me. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Raise awaiting orders. Thrusters to maximum. Standing.
Mineral field depleted.
Roger. Go ahead.
By the numbers, boys. Yes, sir.
Reporting in. Will do, command. Vector locked in. Roger. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Thrusters to maximum.
This better be good. Brand new.
Standing by. Coordinates received.
This is gonna get tricky. I'm detecting battle cruisers at the next base, and the Odin doesn't have strong anti-air capabilities.
We should have enough wraiths to handle them. But let's scramble a couple more just to be sure.
Now that was fun. Don't worry, old buddy. I'll give you some time to catch up. Well, I'll be. Those Dominion eggheads really thought of everything. Pardon me a moment.
Reporting in. Coordinates received. Thrusters to maximum. Rate awaiting orders. Attack for me. Standing by.
Upgrade complete. Mineral field depleted.
Whoa, they're all over me.
Woohoo!
Go ahead.
There we go. You ready yet? Who wants some?
Transmit coordinates.
Been waiting on you.
Reporting in.
This been
Rate the waiting orders. Transmit. Standing by. Go ahead. Standing by. Roger.
wants some.
Mineral field depleted.
I hope you're reading this, Jimmy, because I'm heading for the last base now.
Yeah.
This better be good.
Go ahead, Commander. Sector locked in. Coordinates received. Rate the waiting orders.
Yeah.
Transmit coordinates. Thrusters maximum.
Want some of this?
Roger.
Mineral field depleted.
Time to kick ass and chew bubblegum. Hello there. Now, how'd I miss this button with a skull on it? What's up?
Launch detected.
Transmit coordinates.
Oh, baby. You're in for a world of pain.
Rate the waiting orders.
Excellent. With the Odin secured, we can hit the UNN complex on Core Hall and make our broadcast.
Hey, you hear me, Captain? Maybe next time you'll trust old Tychus with a little bit of mayhem.
That's about all I trust you with, Tychus.